So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to underline text on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up on your device, if I were to go ahead here and just type in the word underline just like that, nothing's underlined. Now the simplest way to do it is to press your text right here, double tap it. On this bottom bar, sort of right in the middle, press on the U with the underline right there. And that's how you guys can underline. Another way you guys can do it as well is to simply go ahead and type in your text. So I'll type in underline just like this. Double tap the text, go to the top right to where there's the paintbrush, scroll down to where it says font, there's a B, an I, a U, and S, you guessed it, press U, and then press accept this way, and there you go. The text, as you guys can tell now, my apologies, it's a little small, has now been underlined. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to underline text on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.